River of Life, Curl Curl House by Sandbox Studio in Curl Curl, Australia. Bringing natural light inward and allowing it to dance internally throughout the day, River of Life is deeply connected within its natural setting. As a testament to sustainable living and the need for the notion of the home to be a place of refuge for the owners, the entirely new build occupies its site with both a restrained and intentional philosophy. Responding to both past and present, the form also acknowledges and embraces the natural elements at its disposal. Focusing on an overall light composition and feel, the sum of its parts creates a calm place to both disengage and restore. The robustness of the base materials also offers a balance to the overall lightness, grounding the home. Across the site, contrasting lines and gestures come together. A curved entry void welcomes guests in an ushering motion, leading into a sunken living area where custom concrete steps soften the transition downward. Here, natural light pours in through strategically aligned openings that frame views and bring the landscape into the interior. Together with other passive cooling mechanisms, the increased thermal mass of the concrete foundations assists in retaining heat while also acting as a robust base for everyday family life. Opening outward, the immediate garden and entertaining spaces become an extension of the living room. Outdoors, the landscape unfolds as a considered and curated canvas. Able to be adapted to suit differing ages and functions, the flexibility in the planning is ideal for the anticipated years to come and the need to allow for separation and togetherness. The rounded-edge swimming pool carries similar lines established in the concrete formwork internally and creates a focal point within the garden. Integrated amongst the architectural elements and the hard and soft plantings, the pool becomes an invitation to relax and reflect, pausing within the garden space. A place where past and present converge, and where the river flows liberally. River of Life is also a place where every detail sensitively navigates the landscape. From the defined architectural linework to the sustainable features integrated throughout, a deep reverence for the land and a commitment to attuned coastal living is apparent and celebrated. While the references to the traditional coastal vernacular are evident, influences from the similar climate in Palm Springs guided the planting selections and a sculptural and striking approach to the landscape, enhancing the overall form. The interconnection between the natural and the built was also approached with sensitivity. Mused by the site itself and further afield influences, the resulting home feels connected to its people, its place, and to a time of acknowledgement and respecting the landscape in a responsive way.